In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a meeting with a contact in Hubspot, an essential tool for managing your business interactions. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just need a refresher, by the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped to set up meetings seamlessly. Let's dive in and first, head over to the HubSpot homepage. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in hubspot.com in the search bar. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top of the screen and click on the login button. This will take you to the login page where you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for one. It's straightforward, and HubSpot offers a wealth of tools for business management. After logging in, you'll be directed to your HubSpot home. Here you'll find a suite of tools and resources at your fingertips. But for today, we're focusing on scheduling a meeting, so let's move on. On the dashboard, locate and click on the library. The library is where all your planning and organizational tools are housed. Within the library, you'll find various options, but today we're interested in the meeting scheduler. Click on this to proceed to the meeting scheduling section. This feature is fantastic because it allows you to manage all your meetings in one place, ensuring that nothing slips through the cracks. Once in the meeting scheduler, find and click on Create Scheduling Page. This is where the magic happens. You'll have the option to set up different types of meetings, but for this video we'll focus on creating a one-on-one meeting. Therefore, select the one-on-one option. This type of meeting is ideal for personalized interactions with your clients or colleagues. Next, it's time to add your meeting details. This includes the title of the meeting, the duration, and any pertinent information your attendee might need to know about the agenda. Make sure the details are clear and concise to avoid any confusion. After you have input all the necessary details, go ahead and click Next. This will take you through to the final steps where you can review all the information you've added. Make sure everything looks correct. Check and double check times, dates, and any notes you may have added. Congratulations! You've successfully set up a meeting using HubSpot. This tool not only enhances scheduling efficiency, but also promotes professionalism in your communications. Remember to keep exploring HubSpot's features for even more productivity enhancing tools. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to schedule meetings in HubSpot. With practice, you'll be able to navigate these steps effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Be sure to check back for more helpful tips and tutorials.